Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've opened your project and landed on the Edit page. Now pick the audio clip you want to change. With the clip highlighted, open the inspector so you can access clip volume and gain controls. You're checking meters and the waveform to know why you'll raise or lower volume. Peaks indicate clipping, low meters show too quiet audio. Once selected, you're ready to make precise adjustments rather than guessing, which saves time and prevents accidental distortion. You can change overall loudness quickly with the clip volume slider in the inspector. Type a dB value for exact results. If you need nuanced changes, use clip gain or add keyframes directly on the waveform to raise or lower parts of the audio. This is how you fix inconsistent levels. Once done, consider opening Fairlight to use the track mixer and automation lanes for smooth fades and dynamic adjustments, which keeps levels balanced across the whole timeline and avoids sudden jumps. Finish by playing the section and watching the meters. Aim for peaks around -6 to -3 dB so you keep headroom for mastering. If levels still vary, use normalize or a gentle compressor and add a limiter on the output to prevent clipping. Make sure to render a short test export and listen on different devices. If you don't hear changes, check track routing, muted or disabled tracks, and whether clips are frozen. Those common issues block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.